Guys, Mike Panich, it is Tuesday, the 21st. Market is officially open. Yesterday we were closed. Before I get onto this is going to be a micro video only. It should be like 5-6 minutes long. Before I get into the micro, let me show you guys something on the 12-hour. Be very cautious when you get your 12-hour algo fire. I keep changing this color to freaking orange and it keeps going back to blue. This is crazy, right? You need that algo fire. You need that algo fire. For you to get that algo fire, which is orange, hold on. Come on, man. Here we go. For you to get the next orange algo fire, you got to pump. Can't happen on a downtrending market. You got to pump. You got to get a little bit of a pump. See how this orange had a pump? Orange pump, right? You got to be at a pump. You have to go up a little bit, even if it's another maybe $1,000 to $22,000. You need to still pump, right? So I'm pretty confident that the local high is not in at all. To be honest with you, for your lower time frame, okay. Monday high. Open that up. Close this. Very simple. Back to the old basics. Monday high, $21,000. Deviation of Monday high. First target, weekly open. Weekly open is sitting at 20,500. Now, am I going to take a long here? No, I don't care for it. I'm going to wait until we get either a Monday sweep of roughly about 19.6. If it doesn't come, it doesn't come. I'm not going to, I don't really care for it, right? Because the upside for me right now is kind of capped. I don't think we want to see above 22,000 just yet, right? So regardless of it all, the only two levels that I'm currently watching right now are weekly open and Monday low. Now, can Wednesday low hold this deviation? Can this deviation hold? Sure. Let me get rid of all this. Look at the way it looks. Hold on. Boom. Right? So this deviation led to the all-time highs. I'm sorry, led to the higher highs, right? So you take your range and you tell yourself, you break under this, you target this. You lose this, and you target this. Very simple range to range play. I'm not playing this right now, guys. I'm already sitting in my alt longs. I kept to my strategy. I didn't sell a lot. I only sold 50%. I'm content. Now, on a little bit of a higher time from like the 4-hour, for example, or like the 3-hour. Show you guys something. Where is this thing? There we go. There we go. See this on here? It's 18.7. There is a very good chance that we will go down here. So I'm kind of cautious right now. I'm more in the profit taking mode as opposed to actually opening up fresh longs up here. If you're scalping, you're fine. But if you're opening up longs up here to target like $28,000 from here, it is a little risky. I'm not saying it can't happen, but it's just a little risky because the RR isn't there yet. Isn't there anymore. You want to buy longs lower in hopes that you do get that run up to $28,000. I'm confident we're going to go to 28K, but is it going to come from up here or is it going to come from, here it is, or is it going to come from one of those and then go up, right? So this is more likely to me as opposed to you going from here all the way up. So be very cautious. I don't see us, for example, look at the 4-hour, right? Even the 4, look at the daily. It's an even better picture. Look at the daily. You had one bottom here. You still haven't really done much. This is more likely. Kill more time, waste another fucking week or so grinding it out, and then head towards this $28,000 range. By all means, guys, I'm going to say this one more time. I'm confident 28 will come. You're going to fill this imbalance. Definitely going to fill this imbalance. But you still have to create a base to do so, right? And the area of interest above us right now is this consolidation right here. This 22K is going to be a hard nut to crack. Let me go to the block test. Let's see where we at. Usually the 3 to 5 hour blocks are legit. Are we at full mode? Let me see. Oh, we have full mode. We're in full mode. Okay, so nothing on the 4-hour. So we didn't have to go to the lower time frame then. Yeah. Let's see what we got over here. There we go. Lower time frame. Okay, so yeah. Let's be clear. This is obvious, right, guys? This is pretty obvious the way we see it. The way it's pictured. Open up here. Oh, FVGs. We just filled up this right here. So 19.5 will offer a decent bounce. Whenever you see an keep this in mind, guys. Whenever you see an FVG like this above an order block like this, it's pretty high probability that it's going to survive a bounce. So even if we go up like this, it'll probably survive a bounce right here. Keep that in mind. But anyway, level to level play, guys. I want to see on the lower time frame, we don't break that down there. I don't want to see us break that. I don't want to see us break that at all. You can paint it any way you want. You can grab this order block any way you want. It doesn't matter. I just don't want to see any daily candle closes under this. You can grind up. You can do whatever you want. I just don't want to see any candle closes under this at all. That's all I have for you guys. Make sure you do happen to pay attention to the Wednesday range for tomorrow. Usually what happens is once the Wednesday range is established, we go and we either take the high or the low before we trend reverse. So right now, currently what we have is, why is only Wednesday? Where's my Monday? Oh, darn. Yeah, okay. So previous Monday low is 21.9. The minute you get into this, it's going to be a high probability chance that we're going to go to the mid, which is roughly at like 24.3, right? So you could scam wick in here, but if you candle close a daily above like $22,000 range, you're going to probably teleport to 24. Keep that in mind. Let me get rid of the Wednesday right now for the time being since it's not Wednesday yet. Hopefully that worked. There we go. Just keep this in mind, guys. Previous Monday high to me is an automatic fucking magnet. Your weekly open. Your weekly open should be at 26.7, I think. There we go. 26.5. So this up here, magnet, guys. Magnet. But it won't come unless we get back into the old Monday range. And the old Monday range is Monday low, Monday high. Once you get it here, TP1, TP2. Until then, guys, just focus on what we have in front of us, which is this small range. So look at the difference between the ranges, right? Look how massive this Monday range is versus how small this Monday range is, which shows what? An expansion took place here. We broke down and now we're consolidating. So we're not bearish. We're not on the micros, right? We're not like bearish. We're going to just break down and make a low. I don't think we're going to make a lower low right now. So ideally what you want to do is you want to have a micro dump, take some liquidity to the downside. Ideally you don't want to break under, that 18.5, 18.4 range. You want to stay at the 19K mark and then continue the course and continue going up. And if you look at the higher time frame, you want to tell yourself, all right, what are we going to do about taking this liquidity up here and here and here, all this right here, right? There's a lot of wicks here that need to be taken out. So I'm pretty confident we're going to get more upside. I've also noticed this interesting factor that the 2-hour, for whatever reason, the 30-minute FEGs work like a charm. And then the 2-hour order blocks work like a charm. I don't know why, but I've been paying attention to a lot of these like little details. And keep that in mind. So if you do happen to see a 2-hour like order block, we have one over here. Pay attention to what happens on price when it actually goes to the 19.5, 19.4K range, right? So 19,500, 19,400. Pay attention if we do happen to go down. What happens here? And that's pretty much it, guys. Trade safe. We are in the weekly VWAP also. Well, it's pretty hit it on the T, but you know what though? I do want to see where the monthly is. That's important to me. The monthly's sitting at 23,000. Yeah, we're not getting above the monthly. I'm pretty confident. We're not anytime soon. On the lower end. Yeah. Pay attention to 19,400 to 19,500, and then also pay attention to what happens when we get to $22,000. $22,000, which is pretty much going to be somewhere around this area, which was an over-under. Right there. Right there. At 22,000 mark. Because don't forget, guys, this is the trap. Trappy, and then you book structure. So even if you do happen to do something like this, just pay attention to what happens at the 22, okay? Cheers.